During the year, there are many weather-related incidents that occur throughout, from hurricanes to tornadoes and brutal winter storms. Weather forecasters are predicting another above-average storm season. If you live in a hurricane-prone area or one that has many tornadoes, forest fires, or winter storms, it pays to be prepared ahead of time so you can stay safe in case the worst happens. There are many things to consider when buying emergency storm survival gear, so we've come up with a list of 5 that might be perfect for you. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best emergency storm survival gear supplies available on the market today. We have made this list based on customer reviews and our own opinion. We looked at the features and quality of each item and selected the best ones. For more information, along with updated prices on the products that we mentioned, click on the links in the description box below. Now let's get to it. Coming in at number 5 is the Mescool LED Solar Camping Lantern. If you are looking for a large capacity hand crank solar lantern, look no further than the 3000. This lantern is perfect for those who need a lot of light, but don't want to have to worry about batteries. The lantern comes with a built-in solar panel that will recharge the batteries, so you never have to worry about running out of power. The lantern also has a built-in USB port, so you can easily charge your phone or other devices while you're on the go. The 4th product on our list is the Jackery Portable Power Station. If you're looking for a reliable and portable power station, the Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 160 is a great option. It's perfect for camping, tailgating, or anytime you need a power boost. The Explorer 160 features a 160 Wh lithium-ion battery and can charge phones, tablets, laptops, and other small devices. It has a built-in solar panel for recharging and a LED light for emergencies. The Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 160 is a great way to keep your devices charged and ready to go, no matter where you are. Still haven't seen an emergency storm survival gear you're interested in? That's okay, keep watching because we have more coming up. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting our channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll know when our next video drops. Up next in 3rd position is the 4 Patriots Emergency Food Supply Survival Kit. When it comes to emergency preparedness, the 4 Patriots Emergency Food Supply Survival Kit is a great option for those looking for an all-in-one solution. This kit includes everything you need to survive for 72 hours, including food, water, and other essential supplies. The food is non-GMO and can be stored for up to 25 years, so you can be confident that it will be there when you need it. The water is also filtered and can be used for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. The kit also includes a first aid kit, flashlight, and other essential supplies. The 2nd product on our list is the Rockham Emergency Solar Hand Crank Weather Radio. If you find yourself in an emergency situation without power, the Rockham Emergency Solar Hand Crank Weather Radio can be a lifesaver. This radio is charged by solar power or by hand cranking, so it will work even if the power is out. The radio also has a built-in flashlight and SOS beacon, so you can signal for help if you need it. The Rockham Emergency Solar Hand Crank Weather Radio is a must-have for anyone who wants to be prepared for anything. Before we reveal the number 1 product, be sure to check out the description box below for the newest deals on each of these items. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on some of the best products available on the market today based on our opinion. The number 1 product on our list is Surviveware 72-Hour Survival Emergency Backpack. This emergency bag was designed for optimal organization with personalized pouches and grid systems. Food, water, and personal items are evenly divided and stored in dedicated pouches for each person. The responder takes preparedness to the next level. Custom engineered from durable tarpaulin material, this emergency kit delivers on all of the essentials in methodical, systematic order. It comes with a first aid kit, emergency tent, reflective paracord, survival knife, emergency splint, duct tape, cable ties, crank radio, waterproof matches, water filter, food bars, water pouch packs, wet wipes, and other survival gear to help you get through various natural disasters. Well, there you have it, and thank you for watching. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for the next video.